how to sign into Chase mobile app. Now if you want to basically sign into the Chase mobile app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Chase mobile application here. Once you launch the Chase mobile app, this is the kind of interface that you will see. Right now from here, what you actually have to do is you need to simply make sure that you have already registered for mobile banking. If not, then you can tap on the sign up option. So all you have to do here is make sure to enter your username and or your user ID, and then you have to enter the password that you used during the sign up process. If you're not sure what password you tapped, you can tap on the I icon on the right hand side. If you forgot your user ID or password, you can tap on forgot user ID or password, and you can also choose to reset them, but most likely you can enter the password, tap on sign in, and you'll be successfully signed into the Chase mobile app. This way you'll be able to sign into Chase mobile app. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.